Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a morning clean with me. It is about 8 o'clock or so, and I came downstairs and I realized, you know what, my kitchen is a mess and I need to get it under control before I cook any breakfast and start my day. So that is what we're getting ready to do, and let's jump right into the video. So I started with cleaning off all of the countertops. I wanted to make sure that I put everything away and back in its place before I did anything else. And then the next thing that you're going to see me do once I clean off the countertops is sweep the floor. And then once I sweep the floor, then I will go ahead and wash the dishes. For some, that may seem a little bit backwards, but I have this thing where I don't like to sweep over wet floors, because when I wash the dishes and I take the dishes while they're still wet after I rinse them and I put them in the dishwasher, I tend to have a lot of wet spots everywhere, and so I don't like to do that. So I want to sweep first and then do the dishes. So before we go any further in this video, I wanted to take the time to thank each and every one of you for stopping by my channel and watching my videos. For those of you who are new, my name is Diane. Welcome to my channel. I do videos on motherhood, on cleaning and organization. I really do a lot of cleaning because I'm a stay-at-home mom, and that's what I do majority of my days, besides taking care of my son. And as you can see, I am pregnant. I think I'm about 17 weeks or 18 weeks. I can't keep up. But anyway, for those of you who continue to come by my channel and watch my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and to comment. I do reply to all of the comments that are left on my videos and on my channel. I am growing my YouTube channel, so yes, I do have a low number in subscribers, but we're building this thing from the ground up, and so I'm excited to continue to upload videos for you guys, hopefully on a weekly basis, but really as my body allows me to right now until I have my baby girl. And then I will start doing a lot more of uploading videos. So by this time, my baby boy is up. He decided to climb up on to his high chair, thinking it was time to eat. And then he didn't want to get down. So, of course, you know, mommy had to bring him down. But he is running around the house as always. You will see him in a lot of my videos, if not all of them, because like I said, I'm a stay-at-home mom and he's always around me. He is my shadow and he just wants to be around his mama. So you will see my son in a lot of my videos. So as you can see here on the table, it is the catch-all for everything. My counters tend to be the catch-all for a lot of things, only because I am always moving and I'm trying to stay on schedule, and my family does the same thing. They come in, they drop things, and then they go on about their business. So it's an everyday battle to try to keep things really clean around the house. So it's just a catch-all, you guys. And so as a result, I gotta clean off the table almost every day, if not every day. Once I have completely cleaned off the countertops and the table, then I go back and I wipe down all the surfaces except for the countertops next to the sink. That is the last thing I do once I finish washing the dishes. Now, you're not going to see me clean off or wipe down the island, because for some reason my camera did not pick that up, but I did wipe down the island, and then after that I went into sweeping the floor and just getting it. It just makes me feel a lot better knowing that I can actually get this kitchen clean, but it does take me a while to do because I do have a very spacious kitchen. It's awkwardly made, but it's very spacious. So here again, my baby boy is getting into everything, and he has this, I don't know, this fetish, I guess, of whenever I'm sweeping, you will see that he likes to jump into the dirt piles. I'm not sure what that is, but it just annoys me, but I guess boys will be boys. But yeah, he just jumps into the dirt piles. He'll bring everything with it, from his blanket to his buddy. I'm not sure. You guys let me know in the comment section if you have children that are like shadows. They just want to follow you around everywhere. They just want to be around you and everything. I know that I'm not the only mom. I do see other moms that are the same way. But just leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you have any children that are real, they're real shadows. So now for the big task. I really despise washing dishes, but it has to be done, because if not, then they will look like this. They will pile up in the sink and they won't get cleaned. So I have a knack for hand washing dishes, even though sometimes I will throw them in the dishwasher. But I really like to hand wash my dishes. For me, it just lets me know that they're getting really clean. I trust the dishwasher sometimes, not all the time, but I don't know, I do not like washing dishes. That's the one thing that I cannot stand to do. I can do all other things, wash clothes, fold clothes, put them away, but I don't like dishes. And so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out these dishes and get them done. I will use the dishwasher as a holding place. Also, you'll see me only put the big dishes in the dishwasher. I do not put my son's dishes in the dishwasher. I like to leave them on top of the counter so that they're easily accessible. I'm able to get to them. And then his dishes have small pieces, so I don't like to put them in the dishwasher in fear that they will fall down into the dishwasher. So you'll see me do that here shortly. And I forgot to mention, I know that I said that I was going to do a life update video. I talked it over with my husband, and he is like, don't say anything just yet because we just don't know. But I will give you a little insight on what's actually going on. My husband is doing a lot of traveling, and he got a promotion, and as a result, we're not sure as of yet if we're going to be moving or not. But I know that either way, whether we do or we don't, I do need to get the house in order and cleaned out and organized for my baby girl's arrival, and just move some things around. So that's really the big life update. And I wasn't really going to go into detail about it on the video that I was going to record, but he was just saying, you know, just hold out because we don't know for sure yet. But that was the big life update, you guys.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance.
I will tell you guys, I feel like the dishes are never ending. It's the one thing that I have to do every single day besides the laundry. If I don't stay on top of it, it will get out of hand just like the laundry. But you guys, let me know in the comment section. I know that I'm not the only person that feels like that, but for me, because I just don't like doing dishes, I just feel like it's just never ever ending. And it's the same with the laundry. And the laundry I can do a little differently because I can always put it away and or leave it in the washer or leave it in the dryer for the time being. But dishes, oh my gosh, I don't like dishes. You guys will hear me say that a lot in some of my videos. If I have to do a lot of dishes, I despise doing dishes, you guys.
I don't know why, but I can't seem to get you off my mind. And I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside, something inside. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.
So if you made it this far in the video, thank you for hanging in there with me. I don't like making very long cleaning videos. I try to keep them real short and simple. Sometimes they do get long, but if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me, and leave a comment in the comment section below. In just a little minute, you're going to see my handy helper next to me. He wants to wash dishes, and I promise you by the time it is time for him to wash dishes, he's not going to want to do it. But yes, I always have my little handy helper. He always wants to play in the bubbles. But you guys, we're coming to the end of this video, and I just really appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me and rocking out with me as I clean my kitchen and get it all done. And until next time, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, there's something inside